Iktar minn 24 sija wara li Sasha kien sfat aggredita minn xufier tal-linja f'Baħar iċ-Ċaq, ħadd minn karozza tal-linja sħiħa għadu mavviċina biex jixhed dwar dak li seħħ. Kien l-erba' filgħodu li wara nofsija tistenna tal-linja fix-xemx, fl-aħħar waslet il-karozza li kellha bżonn b'Sasha titla' fuq tal-linja biex tieħu post passiġġier ieħor li kien għadu kif niżel. Iżda xi raġuni x-xufier qolla leħnu ordnala biex tinżel u meta qantlu li mhux ikun ġust għax kien hemm l-ispazju fejn tirkeb aggredija.
He comes at me and grabbed my neck and spit in my face. And that really shocked me because I'd never been violated like that, especially from somebody in a position of authority. So being alone in that situation, it scared me.
Sasha, imwielda fl-Istati Uniti minn Maltija u li l-aħħar snin tgħix f'Malta, tirrakkonta li xxukjat ruħha wkoll bin-nuqqas ta' reazzjoni tal-passiġġieri quddiem każ ta' Tfajla li qed tiġi aggredita.
I followed him back on the bus and demanded the number to his manager, and he kept shouting at me again, get off the bus, and he even stood up a second time, I believe, and so I turned and looked at the passengers on the bus and I said, did anybody see that? You know, I wanted somebody to at least speak up for me. Nobody said a word, obviously, which made me feel even more alone in that situation.
Wara din l-aggressjoni, ix-xufier ġie individwat u sospiż mis-servizz sakemm jitlestew l-investigazzjonijiet. Kienet ikkuntattjata wkoll minn manager ta' Transport Malta biex jiskuża ruħu f'isem il-kumpanija, iżda jidher li dan se jkun każ diffiċli għaliex minn barra nuqqas ta' xhieda lanqas il-kameras tas-sigurtà abbord l-istess vettura ma jaħdmu.
The company should be taking these issues more seriously. Every time somebody calls in to complain, they would like to think that their issue is being dealt with, but this is the first time I've actually seen an issue with Transport Malta being dealt with.